Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a referral program with ReferralCandy step by step clearly. Creating a referral program can boost your business. First, sign up for a ReferralCandy account. Visit the ReferralCandy website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required fields with your business information. Next, connect your online store. Choose your e-commerce platform from the list provided. Follow the prompts to integrate ReferralCandy with your store. Once connected, navigate to the Settings dashboard. Here, you can customize your program settings. Decide on the referral rewards you want to offer. This could be cash, discounts, or gift cards. Set the conditions for earning these rewards. Determine how many referrals a customer can make. Now, create appealing design templates for emails and landing pages. Make sure your promotional materials reflect your brand's identity. Next, write engaging messages to encourage sharing. Clearly explain the benefits of your referral program. After that, test your referral program. Make a sample referral to ensure everything is working correctly. Once confirmed, launch your referral program publicly. Promote it through your website, social media, and email newsletters. Monitor the performance of your referral program in the Analytics section. Analyze the data to see how well it's performing. Make adjustments as necessary to improve engagement. Continue to promote and refine your referral program over time. Doing so will help maximize its potential to grow your customer base. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.